Okay, this is pretty straightforward. Is there enough information to conclude that the two triangles are congruent? If so, what's the congruent statement? Well, yeah, we know that this side is reflexively congruent to itself, and if that's the case, then we have a right triangle with the hypotenuse congruent to another right triangle with a hypotenuse of the same, and then one of the legs congruent to the leg of the other right triangle. So yes, we do know that this is congruent, and now we need to just look at the congruent statements to see. C, A, B, C up to A down to B, that would be the same as C up to A down to D. And those aren't in the correct position, so we can't use those. A to C to B, that looks like this. The top down to the right angle, out to B. A, C, D would be the matching A, C, D. That looks good for B. And let's just check the other one. A, B, C, from the top out to the outside vertex and then in. A, D, C. Oh, that's not what it says. So we are right that it is B. That's the only one with the vertices aligned. And we're done.